For our Friday afternoon, we have a mix of clouds and sunshine over Savannah. Not much in the way of rainfall for us just yet, but you can see those cumulus clouds starting to tower just a little bit, so we do run the risk of having a few showers and storms developing over the next few hours. Right now, just to our north into Hampton County and into northern Screven County, do have a few storms that are beginning to fire off. One right near Hampton on the stronger side. You can see the outflow boundary here, this faint green line ahead of those storms. That's the outflow of a strong wind gust, so we could have some breezy and gusty conditions setting up with some of these storms. So if you're going to be heading out to any of the football games, make sure you stay cool and hydrated, and also keep an eye to the sky because of those storm chances with us into the evening hours. But cooling off for Hampton thanks to that downpour. 75 degrees is your current temperature, but where it's been dry, it has been hot. 97 degrees right now for Jessup and Baxley, 94 for us here in Savannah. Factoring in the humidity, it is feeling as hot as 108 degrees for several locations, including Pembroke and Richmond Hill. So there is a heat advisory into the early evening hours. However, conditions will start to cool off in time for the high school football games, with many of those kickoffs right around 7:30. A few stray showers and storms will continue for us into the evening hours. Temperatures cooling off into the lower 80s by 9 and 10 o'clock. The heat index values will still be a little bit hotter than that, but definitely in a better situation than where we are right now as far as those extremely hot conditions around the coastal empire and the low country. Around the southeast, we do have a stationary boundary that is draped across Georgia and South Carolina. That will help us to see some showers and storms for tonight and also into the day tomorrow. Scattered showers and storms are expected, and temperatures aren't going to be much cooler, even though those storm chances will be with us. So a few showers for us early on into the evening and overnight. Tomorrow morning starting off dry, and then it's in the afternoon hours when we could begin to see a few showers and storms begin to develop. Downpours are possible for us, so definitely watch out for that. Could also have some stronger storms that would be able to produce some strong wind gusts. That rain will definitely become a little bit more widespread as we head into the late afternoon and into the early evening hours. In the tropics, we now have Hurricane Erin intensifying to a Category 1 system earlier today. You can see it. That satellite imagery is not quite as symmetrical as it was yesterday. There's some dry air and some wind shear eating away at the western side of this, but that core is becoming a bit stronger and starting to likely reorganize a little bit, and will likely continue to get a bit stronger with the next advisory and the next several advisories actually. But as of 2 o'clock, 75-mile-per-hour sustained winds, likely a Cat 2 system by the time we get to tomorrow morning, intensifying to a major hurricane as we get to the second half of the weekend, possibly as strong as a Category 4, as it does make that turn to the north that we have been anticipating, away from the Turks and Caicos and the Bahamas, and likely staying away from the southeastern U.S. coast. High surf and rip currents will be our main concern for tonight. 77 for the low temperature, a few isolated showers or thunderstorms possible overnight, and then for tomorrow, 93 degrees. That high temperature is in store for us with scattered showers and storms. For the boaters, definitely keep an eye to the sky because those storm chances building in during the afternoon and into the early evening hours, but really not bad as far as those actual conditions on the water. Seas just 1 foot. As far as the 7-day forecast, we will gradually see those storm chances decrease as we head into Sunday, and especially for next week, mainly dry for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, with those storm chances increasing a bit then for next Thursday. That's a check of your weather forecast for now. We'll have more coming up in just a few moments.